Now the next topic is electric power. The rate of doing work is power. This is also the rate of consumption of energy. So H is equal to I square into RT gives us the rate at which electric energy is dissipated or consumed in an electric circuit. This is also termed as electric power. The power P is given by P is equal to V into I, or P is equal to I square into R. It's equal to V square upon R. The SI unit of electric power is watt. Capital W is the sign of watt. It is the power consumed by a device that carries 1 ampere of current when operated at a potential difference of 1 volt. Thus, 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. It's equal to 1 VA or 1 volt ampere. The unit watt is very small. Therefore, in actual practice, we use a much larger unit called kilowatt. It is equal to 1000 watts. Since electrical energy is the product of power and time, the unit of electric energy is therefore watt hour, that is WH. 1 watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. The commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour, that is kWh, commonly known as unit. 1 kWh is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 second, means 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 watt second. And in joule, we can write it as 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. Many people think that electrons are consumed in an electric circuit. This is wrong. We pay the electricity board or electric company to provide energy to move electrons through the circuit through the electric gadgets like electric bulb, fan, and engines. We pay for the energy that we use. Let's solve some examples. An electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. The current is 0.50 ampere. What is the power of the bulb? P is equal to V into I, 220 volt into 0.50 ampere. So 110 joule per second, that is 110 watt. Next example is an electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates 8 hours per day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 3 per kilowatt hour? The total energy consumed by the refrigerator in 30 days would be 400 watt into 8 hour per day into 30 days. So 96,000 watt hour, that is 96 kilowatt hour. Thus the cost of energy to operate the refrigerator for 30 days is 96 kilowatt hour into rupees 3 per kilowatt hour. It's equal to 288 rupees.